Ready to embrace confidence after 60? Discover 20 stunning pixie cuts that highlight your best features and bring fresh energy to your look. Short hair has never been more empowering. 1. Classic Silver Pixie. A timeless pixie with natural silver tones, perfect for women who want elegance with easy maintenance. Soft silver pixie with neatly trimmed sides, ideal for mature women seeking a chic, graceful everyday look. Short layered silver cut adding light texture, perfect for women who want volume without length. Sleek, smooth silver pixie flattering for women with oval or heart-shaped faces. 2. Textured blonde pixie. Playful layers and blonde tones bring brightness and youthful charm. Tousled blonde pixie with soft waves, great for active women who want effortless styling. Short cropped blonde with feathered ends, adding lightness and volume for fine hair. Polished blonde pixie with smooth top, perfect for women who enjoy a refined, fresh appearance. 3. Pixie with side-swept bangs. Add softness around the face while keeping the cut short and easy. Ash blonde pixie with long side bangs, flattering round faces and hiding fine lines. Dark pixie with side-swept fringe, perfect for sharp features and a modern touch. Salt and pepper pixie with angled bangs, great for women wanting contrast and movement. 4. Curly Pixie Cut, perfect for embracing natural texture with minimal upkeep. Short curly pixie in silver tones, adding bounce and vitality for women with natural curls. Dark curly pixie cropped close at the sides, highlighting cheekbones beautifully. Soft blonde curly pixie for playful, lively women seeking a low-maintenance look. 5. Pixie Bob Hybrid, the perfect middle ground between a pixie and a short bob. Silver pixie bob with longer front pieces, suitable for women who prefer face-framing layers. Textured blonde pixie bob for adding dimension and soft edges. Smooth dark pixie bob that balances elegance with modern edge. 6. Layered pixie cut. Layers create movement and volume, great for thin hair. Soft feathered layers in silver, flattering for women wanting a youthful look. Blonde layered pixie adding fullness, especially suitable for fine hair. Dark layered cut that enhances face shape and gives structure. 7. Long top pixie keeps volume at the crown while staying short on the sides. Silver pixie with longer crown, perfect for adding height and sophistication. Blonde long top pixie styled upward, great for bold, confident women. Dark pixie with textured top, modern and stylish for everyday wear. 8. Choppy Pixie Cut adds edginess and youthfulness through uneven layers. Blonde choppy pixie, great for dynamic women who love playful styling. Silver pixie with uneven layers, giving texture and volume to fine hair. Dark choppy pixie with messy finish, perfect for casual, confident women. 9. Pixie with tapered sides, creates sleekness while highlighting facial structure. Smooth silver pixie with tapered sides, elegant for professional women. Blonde pixie with close-cut sides, modern and low maintenance. Dark taper pixie, flattering for women with angular features. 10. Voluminous Pixie, adds height and body to the crown area. Silver voluminous pixie, perfect for women wanting fuller hair appearance. Blonde pixie with lifted crown, chic for formal and casual settings. Dark voluminous pixie with soft layers, stylish for mature women. 11. Pixie with undercut, a bold and edgy choice while keeping style versatile. Silver pixie with undercut sides, modern yet sophisticated. Blonde pixie with hidden undercut, fun and edgy for confident women. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. Dark pixie with shaved detail, perfect for adventurous personalities. 12. Soft feathered pixie, light, airy layers give softness and movement. Silver feathered pixie, flattering for delicate features. Blonde feathered pixie adding youthful bounce. Dark feathered cut for elegance with minimal effort. Tell us your favorite number below. 13. Spiky Pixie Cut, sharp styling adds boldness and vibrancy. Silver Spiky Pixie, edgy yet chic for daring women. Long Spiky Pixie, perfect for energetic, lively personalities. Dark Spiky Cut, adding strength and confidence to the look. Share your favorite number with us. 14. Pixie with highlights, dimensional tones brighten the overall style. Silver pixie with blonde streaks, adding shine and texture. Blonde pixie with caramel highlights, flattering warm undertones. Dark pixie with subtle highlights, perfect for depth and contrast. 15. Side-parted pixie, a simple shift in parting adds elegance. Silver side-parted pixie, chic and professional. Blonde side-parted cut with smooth finish, youthful and fresh. Which style wins for you? Dark side-parted pixie, flattering oval and heart-shaped faces. 16. Wavy Pixie keeps natural waves short and chic. Silver Wavy Pixie, soft and graceful. Blonde Wavy Pixie adding playful texture. Dark Wavy Pixie, elegant yet casual for all-day wear. 17. Sleek Polished Pixie, a refined style that shines with confidence. Silver Sleek Pixie, glamorous and timeless. Blonde Smooth Pixie, great for formal occasions. Dark Polished Pixie, perfect for women seeking elegance. 18. Asymmetrical Pixie, an even length creates modern drama. Silver Asymmetrical Pixie, flattering sharp jawlines. Blonde Asymmetrical Cut with long front, playful and chic. Dark Asymmetrical Pixie, bold and fashion-forward. 19. Soft Rounded Pixie, gentle, rounded edges for a youthful effect. Silver Rounded Pixie, perfect for softening strong features. Blonde Rounded Pixie, flattering round and oval faces. Dark Rounded Pixie, ideal for classic and refined looks. 20. Pixie with subtle curls, a feminine twist with natural movement. Silver Curly Pixie, soft and romantic. Blonde Curly Pixie, playful and fresh. Dark Curly Pixie, elegant with a modern touch.